the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program today, guys. Today we're going to give you the idea of a healthy breakfast or a dietary breakfast in the morning, which is one of the best thing ever. You know, sometimes some people wake up in the morning and the first thing come to them to their mouth is like they want to go and have something really, probably have some fried chips or something which is not a part of the diet. But in the morning, the best thing to supposed to have something really light, lovely, nice, and healthy is some fruits and water. That's one of the key points in the morning for breakfast. So this morning, guys, I want to give you the idea and tips and ways of how you can be losing weight and look healthy, fit, and strong. And remember, this is the best of the best. Fruits, veg, and all these things. Salad is the best thing for you to lose weight. You can't go wrong with your veg, your fruits, and your salad. For a person who been on the dietary, this is healthy for you. It's lemon and water. It's good. It's key point. And also grapefruits and all them things. Orange, apples. This is where it come in handy. This is cover all of the gap, and you will look 100% fit, strong, healthy, and the way you want to look. So guys, enjoy the recipe, tips and ideas of the dietary breakfast. Fruits in the morning. Can't go wrong with a glass of lemon water. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. This is a perfect dietary breakfast in the morning, guys. This is where I'm talking about. This is where it come in really healthy, handy, and this is good for you if you want to lose weight. Is fruits, veg, and this is the best way how to lose weight, how to look healthy, and how to stay healthy, and how to be healthy. So guys, right over here, as I can see now, I'm just gonna explain it to you what's going on right here. In the morning, to have a lovely healthy breakfast, this is what you need right here. The most important thing, that you're gonna drink a glass of water, which I'm gonna pour some water straight inside of this. Nice and lovely. Put a piece of a lemon inside of the water, just like this. Leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make it get dissolved inside of the water with the lemon. So beautiful, guys, as I can see exactly which we are about right over here. I have another piece can put also inside of it. Nothing nice like this when you can have a healthy breakfast like this in the morning. Guys, I'm telling you, if you want to lose weight, this is where it comes in. And the healthy dietary breakfast in the morning like this can't go wrong. Is one of the best ever in the morning for breakfast. And also, as you can see right here, everything looking really good and really nice. Simple, easy, but effective. As I said, right over here we got lemon with water, we got grape, pineapple, and yellow melon, orange, and apple. You can also have a finger for green banana also for your breakfast. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you and do help you in the morning for your breakfast. As you can see, morning time breakfast, the best ever in this world. Fruits and veg, healthy. You want to lose weight, stay on a special diet, this is where it come in really handy for you. And also enjoy the recipe and also enjoy your water. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.